Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can pay Atome using Gcash. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Gcash app, make sure it's an updated version, and then you have signed in. Then tap on this option of pay bills. From this section you're gonna be searching up for Atome over here. Once you find it, go ahead, tap on it. Once I've tapped on it, you're gonna be entering the details like the Atome cash, like the account name, account number, everything. Once you have done that, you're gonna tap on save the photos, or you're gonna tap on continue further. Then once you have done that, you're gonna enter the amount and you're gonna recheck if everything is confirmed and tap on confirm payment at the bottom, and you will be able to pay for it like that using your Gcash accordingly. That's basically how it works. It's a very easy method, but you have to make sure that you do find the Atome in the billing section, and you can simply go ahead, enter the credentials, make sure to remember correct credentials for it, and you're good to go. That's it. If you got more question, let us know in the comments below, and that is it. So I hope this video helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.